Good morning, Sanjeev Kumar, computer teacher, Woodbine Modern School. Now, today we discuss question answer for class 7. Start lesson 3rd, advanced feature of Excel. Now, fill in the blanks in a effective way to display data in pictorial form, as like chart is an effective way to display data in pictorial form. Now, question number 2. Data series are the bar or slice that shows the fill in the blanks, blank space. Now, answer is data values. Number 3rd, the bar chart display data in the form of long blank space rods. It is called rectangular rods. The bar chart display in the form of long rectangular rods. Now question number 4, blank space is the vertical axis that is used to plot the values. Y-axis is the vertical axis that is used to plot the values. Now question number 5, the blank space is a key that is used to identify the colors, patterns or symbol assigned to a data series. Answer, legend. Legend is a key that is used to identify the colors, patterns or symbols assigned to a data series. Now we discuss true false. State true or false. In this you can sort data in only one field, false, because we able to sort data in multiple field. A chart updated automatically with the change in data, true. We cannot modify chart by changing its color and patterns. We can modify the chart changing its color or patterns. It is false. Now x-axis is the horizontal line, true, because x-axis is the horizontal line and y-axis is the vertical line. The chart area contains the actual chart itself and includes data series, categories and values axis as well as the chart area holds the whole object in plot area. True. Now application based questions. Kantika is a chartered accountant. She look after the accounts of various companies. And keeps their records in Microsoft Excel. She does not have any idea how to view only those records that she want to see. Suggest her the feature of Microsoft Excel using which she can perform this task. Filter used to display only those data we want to see, and rest data is hide. Now question number 2. Ritu is a student of class 7. Her geography teacher has asked her to prepare a chart on the population of 4 metro cities. Suggest her best suited chart type for her projects. Basically, we use column chart in the population, and if the percentage, then we called pie chart. Now multiple choice questions. Name the bar or slice that represent the data values on the chart. Data series, plot area, legend. Data series, the bars or slice represent the value on the chart. Answer is A. Which chart type display in the form of circle, line, pie, bar? Line chart is depend on line, pie chart is circulars, and bar chart is verticals. The answer is B, pie chart. Which function key is used to insert a chart in a worksheet? Function key. B. And name the special window that display the data when you insert a chart is an sheet. C. And which features allows to use arrange the given data according to a particular field, either in ascending order or in descending order. This is called sorting. B. Now question answer. What is chart? Chart is a graphical representation of data in a worksheet. It is an effective way to display in a particular form. Now, how is a column chart different from a bar chart? Column chart categories are organized horizontally and values vertically, and bar chart categories organized vertically and values are horizontally. Now question number 3. What is the difference between chart area and plot area? Chart area includes all the areas and object in the chart. Plot area, a window within a chart area, it contains plotted data, data series, categories and value axis. What is the use of sorting feature in Excel? Sorting means arrangement either in an descending order or ascending order or descending order in a worksheet. Now briefly explain the utility of filters. Filter allows to see only those records that we want to display, while it hides the rest data in temporary form of views. Now in these questions we classify as the filtering data. You look at Microsoft Excel provides the several way analysis data itself in filter features. It allows you to see only those records that you want to display, while it hide the rest of the data temporarily from the views. You can filter a list to display records that meet a specific criteria by using the auto filter commands. The select any cells within a database range. Says D1, click on the filter buttons and sort and filter group under the tab. Filtering arrange allows will be added to each field names. These arrows are used to display condition to filters data. Click on the arrow next and to the Hindi field name in the cell D1 and checkbox values 90, 85 and 98 from the drop down. The click on OK. In the it gets the features and display those records means categories marks 98 and 95. Now what is chart? Chart is a graphical representation of data in a worksheet. It is an effective way to display chart in pictorial form. Chart area includes all the area and objects in the chart. Plot area is a window within a chart area. It contains the actual chart itself and includes plotted data, series, categories and value axis. Legend P dispatched colors, patterns and symbols assigned to the data set. It helps the different data axis of the chart is called category axis and the y axis is the chart is called value axis. Now we discuss in practical forms. You look the how to open Excel and how to create chart. First open Microsoft Office. Here is Microsoft Office. Choose Microsoft Excel. Then choose Files. Open if database file is presented, then we are able to open data. Now this is the form of filter. We remove the filter but icons. Select all. Okay, and now we select table forms here to here and click on insert, goes to chart, column chart and choose chart types. This is called column chart. This is the value axis 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. This is called value axis, and this is the category axis. Category axis Biha, Raja, Rahman, Radhika, Monica, Kritika and Kiran and Anuj. Now how to change one chart type to another chart types. Right click, then choose chart types and then choose those chart we want to look here. This is called bar chart. Bar chart category axis in top and value axis in bottoms. Y axis in bar chart is value axis, x axis is bar chart is value axis, and y axis in bar chart is called category axis. And this is called data series. This is area is called plotted area, and whole chart is called chart area. Now another change, views the chart area, right click, then choose chart types and choose as like a line chart, then click OK. This is called line chart. Now different two colors, 60, 40, and this. Now again repeat this action. Change chart tabs, area chart, and choose different area as like this. Then again a scattered chart. A scattered chart means as like rainy seasons bubbles here and there fall down, same as here and there, the marks plotted in the form of dot points or line pointed areas. Now we change a stroke chart. In this view, surface chart. Dot chart. And bubble chart, and another chart type is radar chart types. We discuss in this form of type of chart. Now we discuss, look at here. Now we use sorting and filtering. Sorting means arrangement of data, or filtering means finding a data. Now choose the whole part of table. And sort according to ascending or descending. Thank you. Now we use filter. And choose condition. Which condition is fulfilled? Then we want to record only Monica record. This is called Monica record. And when we want to lot of records, Raja, Rahman, Radhika, then we show, look here, Raja, Rahman and Radhika data. Now today we discuss question answer of class 7, and now practical of lesson 3rd. What is chart, type of chart, and what is sorting and what is filtering. This is the total aspect of lesson 3rd. Thank you.